So hey guys, today's is a little special day. We are getting a new car.
For this year's Autoshow, we decided to do something different. We are going to build a car on our booth, and this is the day we're going to pick it up. It's an old Datsun. See what it is in a second.
Yeah, and it's all in parts, so we do have to find out what's missing, what's not there, what needs to be fixed. But it has a brand new paint on.
Exactly. It's been painted. It's a cardboard project, just like the Supra you can see in the background. So typical Kyusha Factory.
Yeah.
So join us on another road trip. Before we tell you more about the car, let me tell you what this is all about. Today we're going on a road trip with friends, something that we don't get to do enough. Super much enjoy driving through some scenery and just hanging out, eating some food and just having an awesome time. But the purpose of the trip is much more interesting because we are going to pick up a car on one of the Denmark's southern islands called Langeland. It's pretty remote and super touristy in the summer, but that's not why we're going there. Going there because the car is parked in a friend's garage where it's been sitting for years. But it's time for us to go get it so we can get it ready for Autoshow. Autoshow is the biggest car show in Denmark. It's one of the few opportunities we get to showcase our cars, hang out with people that we don't get to see every day, and also to meet you guys. This year we want to shake things up a bit and do something different. Rather than just showing our cars, hanging around, standing, talking to people, we want to do something that the channel is really all about. One of the reasons we started Kyusha Factory was to share our builds and the building process with you guys. On Autoshow we get to do just that. Not just in the video, not just in the 20-minute cut-down version of many weeks of work and challenges, but live right out there. We are going to build a car right there at Autoshow. What normally takes weeks, we need to have done in 48 hours, Saturday to Sunday, on the 6th to 7th November in Odense. But first we need to pick it up. What can go wrong, right? Okay, this is a bit more messed up than I had expected.
Shit.
Well, it is a project and we need to put the car back together before we can actually pick it up. Interesting. Thank you, Kim. So guys, this is the car. It's a Datsun 620 from 76. It is a project that I have had with a friend for many years, I think 7 years at this point. And we can't really seem to get it done. So now we are gonna take it to Autoshow and finish it. It's been painted. It's brand new paint coat because we cannot do that on Autoshow. There's a couple of things that we need to do beforehand. But as you can see, there is no front windscreening. The seats are loose. The engine isn't done. The windows are not done. It's the wrong wheels. There's a lot of stuff that we need to do on it. So that's gonna be what we are gonna be doing on Autoshow. But for now, let's get it dug out of this garage because it's actually been dug in with stuff around it and in it and behind it. We need to get it down and we need to get it onto the auto trailer. So that's the next thing coming up. Should we start it? Let's see if it starts.
Let's try. Check the brakes first. It brakes, kinda.
So weird. Push it. Okay.
Yeah, it brakes.
Good.
Is there fuel in it?
Yeah,
Is there fuel?
Yeah, it works.
It works?
Just keep going.
I have an idea.
Okay, try again. Yeah.
It can actually start. It couldn't do that last time, so well done, Keith. The next thing we need to do is we basically need to load the car up and we need to get all the parts that are scattered around the garage and the house. So let's go hunting. Let's go part hunting.
More than one zip tie?
Yes.
That ain't going nowhere.
No, look, we got zip ties to save us.
Yeah, it's for the balancing of the wheel. Great
Pop the back.
success! He drove home!
Oh shit. Okay, it's got issues.
Small ones. Nothing we can't fix.
We can fix everything.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. This is the beginning of an awesome adventure. Next thing is we're gonna fix it and we're gonna make it ready for Autoshow.
I think we first have to find out what parts that we have and what we are missing.
That's a very good idea. Yeah, because
And just make a status of what needs to be done.
yeah.
But we are going to take you guys along for the ride. Yeah, so we know very little about this car as it is right now.
It's been standing still for about 4 years, and we've had it for 7. And it's just now moved under its own power, not that well.
But he did it. He can start.
Yeah, that's more than it could a year ago. Well, let's figure out what's what. Let's figure out what we need. Let's order the parts that we are missing and fabricate the parts that we have. And let's make it ready for Autoshow.
Sounds like a good plan.
See you next time.
Bye.